Hey, what's up everybody? Hungry Hussey here. And what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to do a little cooking in the InstaPot today. That's right, I'm not going to be on the Blackstone. I'm going to do a recipe in the InstaPot. I'm going to do a chicken pozole. Basically, it's a chicken and hominy soup. That's hillbilly logic right there. But it's got a lot of flavors in it. It's got cumin, it's got chili powders, it's got chilies. Man, it's good. And on a cold day, I guarantee it'll be pretty good too. Some folks from my live stream, they noticed that I had an InstaPot and they said, hey, could you do some recipes on the InstaPot too? So I said, yeah, sure, why not? I'm kind of new to the InstaPot. I had a Power Cooker XL previously. The pot in the Power Cooker XL, like, it just started looking all funky. Tried to get a new pot. Called the people, they said, we don't know when we can get extra pots. So, long story short, Big Mike hooked us up and bought us an InstaPot for Christmas this year. So, we now have a pressure cooker. Well, we're gonna get this thing started. I wanna show you the ingredients first, and then we're gonna get to cooking. Check back. All right, so here's our ingredients. I got two nice, big split chicken breasts that I'm gonna use. I had three, but I think two is going to do it. This thing right here is pretty sure it had some extra work done at one point, you know, plastic surgery. That thing's about an X cup, I'd say. That right there is normal. This one, I don't know what this sucker was doing, but whew, boy, I bet you the boys loved her. I got 3 cans of hominy. That's golden hominy. For some reason, they didn't have white hominy. So golden hominy it is. I got one box of chicken broth. I like to use unsalted. I like to control my sodium, my salt. I got Ancho chili powder. I got chipotle chili powder, some Mexican dried oregano. This is one Guajillo pepper that I've chopped up. They typically come in like a bag. Well, the bag kind of split, but I just took one of those, took the top off, threw the seeds out, and that's how you got it. Coriander, cumin, that's some chicken powder, 4 cloves of garlic, that's 1 lime total, 1 onion chopped, 1 can of diced green chilies, some tomato paste, olive oil, and that's it. Salt and pepper. So we're going to get this thing going in this InstaPot, and from what I understand, it'll probably go pretty quickly. So check back. All right, so we're just going to put the InstaPot on saute, and we're going to let that get warmed up. I want to get this ready for, I want to brown off the chicken. So I'm just going to put a little bit of butter. I didn't say that in my ingredients, but butter and some olive oil. So in the meantime, for the chicken, I'm gonna salt and pepper it real good. Salt. Pepper. All right. Flip it. Look, this thing's too big for even for my tongs. All right. Don't be afraid to season it. It'll take it. Put more salt. All right. All right. We're gonna wait for the InstaPot to come up to temperature. Well, so that looks good. Get our chicken in. We're just gonna brown this up a little bit. Just for a little bit. All right, it's been a couple minutes. Let's give this a look. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'd like for a little bit more better color. So maybe leave it on for maybe another couple more minutes. I'm just gonna let that brown for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out. We're gonna put in our onions and other items. Alrighty. There we go, that's a little bit better color. Alright, we're just gonna take those and we're gonna transfer back over here to our board. It's okay to do that as chicken's not even done, so now we're gonna take our onion. Okay. Onion. And our garlic. We're just going to saute that in those chicken juices. Get up all those little brown bits. Boy, that smells good. That's gonna be some good groceries. Some good groceries. A little salt, a little pepper. Salt help bring that moisture out of those onions. Those onions are smelling good. Let's let those go. Let those sweat for another minute or so. We're going to add our green chilies and some tomato paste. All right. And then here's where we add all of our other seasonings. Everything get in there. Get in there. Boy, this is gonna smell good. All those dudes in there. Ooh-wee, boy, that smells good. Dang. Just gonna add a little bit of this chicken broth for right now. All right. Just to kind of deglaze the bottom of that pan first. And for everybody to get happy as well. Okay. Now, let's add our chicken. All right. And hominy. All right. And we're going to add the rest of our chicken stock. You know what? I think I want another thing of chicken broth. We're gonna do a little bit more chicken broth. I just think it needs more. All right. Probably another half a chicken broth. Oh shoot. What am I fooling? Let's just use 2. 2 chicken broth. Add 2 chicken broth. Okay. That looks real good. Stir that stuff around just to make sure it gets nice and incorporated. Okay. All right, now. Put that on. Okay. And we're gonna set this to, we're gonna do meat. Oops. We're gonna do meat, and we're gonna do this for 16 minutes. We have this on seal. All right. See you in 16 minutes. All right, well, this was gone for 16 minutes, and now we're just gonna vent this thing. I like to put a towel over it so steam doesn't go everywhere, and it smells amazing in here. So after I get this steamed and I can open the pot, I'm gonna take the chicken out. I'm gonna put it on this plate, take it off the bone, and then put it back into the pot, and then we can eat. That's the best part, right? All right, let's let this steam go, and we'll go from there. Check back. All right, well, let's see what we got. Oh, moly. Well, that's good. I pretty much know our chicken is done. I'll put that chicken over here. Look at that nice red color. Man, that's good. Nice, nice, nice color. All right. Oh yeah. Looks good. I think you can see inside there real good. Yeah. Nice. Well, the InstaPot is going to keep that warm. Okay. Tear this chicken off here. So I just got 2 forks. Ooh-wee. It's going to tear the hide off of my fingers if I let it. Man, I'm ready to eat some of this, y'all. I am ready to eat some of it. I have to try a little bit of this chicken. Woo. I get some of those spices even in that chicken. Well, that'll be good for now. I'll get the rest later. Y'all get the gist, all right? I'm just gonna stir that up. All right. Oh, forgot to add lime earlier. Just gonna put some lime in this. Supposed to put it in there when it was cooking, but as usual, Hungry Hussey forgets. All right, so I got some items. So I'm gonna put this in my bowl. I have some radishes, cilantro, jalapeno, and some more lime that I'm going to put on my soup. Sky's the limit. You can also do some avocado. This is just what I decided to do. Ooh, boy. Look at that. Now, let's do some pretty stuff here. All right. Some jalapeno. There you go. That's our InstaPot Pozole right there, guys. We'll do a little fresh cracked pepper over top. Okay. Maybe just a little bit of salt, just to finish it off. All right, let's give this a try. All right, I'm ready to sink my teeth into this right here. It's been smelling really good. It's probably gonna burn the hide off my tongue too. Put a little bit of lime juice on it. Ooh-wee. Put that right there. Taste this broth. Oh man. I taste those chilies. It's good, it's not real hot. Oh my goodness. Hominy, nice and tender. Along with that chicken, I taste that Ancho chili powder, and I taste a little bit of that chipotle powder. The cumin's coming through. The freshness of the cilantro helps. I probably wouldn't mind having like a drizzle of, like a little bit of some kind of crema. Just take some sour cream, cut it with some lime juice. That Guajillo pepper is shining through too. This is spot on, y'all. You know what I forgot? I was gonna put an avocado on mine. Where's my avocado? Here it is. I'm gonna put avocado in mine too, so. Well guys, give this a try. Man, it's good. I'm gonna eat about 3 bowls of this. Dang, that's good. Give us a try. Your family's gonna love it. It's not that hot. It's got a little spice to it, so if you got those folks that are really sensitive, you may wanna back off on a little bit of that stuff. But other than that, whew, out of this world, y'all. Well guys, I appreciate you watching this video. It's not on the Blackstone, but I'll have more. This has happened to be an InstaPot video, and I happen to like cooking in those pressure cookers. They're pretty cool. So guys, I love y'all, and have a blessed week. Hungry Hussey's out.